Hey guys, we've got another trailer load of material put on the barge down here. You can see the barge already out there, headed back to the job. Gonna get it finished up. Y'all check this out. I got several little jobs right here that I've been doing, some boardwalk additions, boathouse roof change outs, a couple little things. I figured let's put a big video, or not really big video, but a nice little video together for y'all to check it out. If y'all haven't subscribed yet, please do so. That helps me out with my YouTube channel. If you got a comment, you can leave me a comment and a like, and I'll try to get back with you. Thanks guys, have a good day. Put the old 16-inch top cap off of here, and I'm going 4-foot boardwalk on top of it. It's going to be all the decking is parallel with the seawall, which looks really cool. Going to get an idea here what we're doing. We're using wear deck here. Also face plate in front of it. Have two wear deck boards on front, covering up all the rods. Make it look really nice. Fits just like a glove. Look at that. Perfect. Did you go swimming, Gatlin? Huh? Come on. Looks really good. Y'all about to get it, huh?
Yes, you do. Can you do me a favor since you're walking right there? Can you slide that Gatorade to about right there?
How about if I kick it?
Hey, that'll work too.
Good catch. All right, man.
Thank you.
Good job, man. You're not wanted anywhere, so I can put you on YouTube.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank the Lord. I got lucky.
All right, man. It's both of us. Seawall. We got two wear deck boards on the front right there. Trims it out, looking really nice. See, this here we did kind of a 3-pattern stagger, where you don't really notice the joints as much. Just continuously run. You can see that nice and straight run all the way down. Also ran another board on the inside of it as well, so you bring the dirt right up to it. Look really nice. Good edge finish on the yard. Our typical 18-inch wide top cap we do on our seawalls. On this project here, we did a custom style top cap. It's 4 foot wide, use wear deck, and the decking runs parallel with the seawall. Looks really cool. Gives you a nice area we can walk up and down the seawall side by side, no problems at all. Also gave it a nice staggered pattern on the decking. I'll show you that. Here's another little boat stop bumper system we set. It makes it really nice. You can bring your boat in there, put your boat right up against it as you're waiting for the lift to catch it. You ain't got to sit there and hold it in the right place. Also wide out the corners of it, beat them out a little bit so you get a little bit easier access around the boat. Makes it real nice. It's all decked out with the wear deck now. Here's the neatest thing we did over here in this top cap. 4-foot boardwalk on top. Put some wear deck on the front of it also, so you don't see any of the tie back rods. It's a nice, clean, smooth looking finish.
You want me to use it a little bit?
Here's another. Hey guys, here's another one here. I built this boathouse roof when I was probably 19 or 20 years old. It was a long time ago. A lot of trips around the sun since then, for sure, as my dad would say. But we're taking the old plywood off of this. It's starting to rot. We're gonna get it changed out, put some new plywood up, and some new blocks there to keep the birds from roosting on the top, and new shingles will be done. Watch your step. Hey guys, we got all the plywood and shingles tore off this boathouse yesterday. Got it put on a barge and some bags, hauled to the boat ramp, put in the trailer, and hauled to the reclamation center, and we reclaim what we can reclaim and just put the rest in the dumpster and get rid of it. But here we go with the boathouse now. You can see we got the plywood going on. Hopefully get that on today, get the paper installed, and get shingles going this afternoon, and hopefully finish it up tomorrow. project. We're coming to get knocked out. Smiles. Got the swim platform going in right now. Kind of finish up a board on the end. We had to wait till a good low tide so we could get that installed. That little project we completed, I think this past year and maybe last year, but it's looking good. I got everything decorated out. Got the chairs out there, the boat's in there, and there's one next to it also. Turned out looking good. Did the seawall, the top cap, drain system behind the seawall, and of course the through flow decking on here. Doing a little cable adjustment on this lift right now to get to drain properly. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button if you like the channel. Give me a like, and any comments you have, please feel free to leave them there, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I appreciate it if you do so. Give me a like and a share and a comment if you got one. Thanks a lot.